Downloading your account data from Spotify is a straightforward process that allows you to access your listening history, playlists, and other personal information. Follow these steps to retrieve your data. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Spotify website and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you are using the account for which you want to download the data. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. You can usually find this option by clicking on your profile picture or username in the upper right corner of the screen. Step 3. Request your data. In the account settings, look for a section related to privacy or data. There should be an option to request your account data. Click on this option to initiate the process. Step 4. Confirm your requests. You may be asked to confirm your request for data. Follow any prompts or instructions provided to ensure your request is processed. This may involve verifying your identity through email or other means. Step 5. Download your data. After your request is processed, you will receive an email with a link to download your data. Follow the link and download the file to your device. This file will contain all the information you requested. Now you have successfully downloaded your Spotify account data. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out to Spotify support.